Today our video is going to be about upgrading your tools. As you go on, you know, tools are expensive when you're first starting off. You buy cheap, you buy what you can get by with, which is what everybody does. So we're going to start a series on upgrading tools and, you know, our process of how we did it and things that we did to see what tools were best. Do you need the super expensive stuff? No. Do you need the super cheap stuff? It works. It gets you by. And today we're going to start that series. Alright, so we're over here doing the fleet vehicle this morning. And this is our newest trigger. This is the MTM S28 or S23, I believe it is. S28, yeah. SGS28. And we love this thing. It's pretty good, ain't it? It came with this attachment to hold the tips, which is super handy because you're always having to go back to the machine or wherever you're storing them at. And we really like this. Now this whole setup was about 90 bucks maybe. I'll put a link in the description for it. And we went from, I don't know where our old trigger is. Let me find our old trigger. Alright, so we started off with the original, that's the original pressure washer we got. And this is the nozzle for it. We started off using this thing. It's just big and bulky. Trigger's kind of hard to spray. The thumb lock that you have to push to squeeze the trigger sucks. Does it work? Yes. Does it get by? Yes. It's for high pressure, all that good stuff. We actually bought the ROBHK pressure washer next so that we could get rid of the gasoline powered and use the electric. And we started using the exact same. It's really similar to that trigger right there with the lance and the wand and everything. And man, it sucked. It was hard to pull. The trigger was hard to pull.
Hard on your wrist.
Hard on your wrist to
this one's got
squeeze.
An easy pull.
And so after watching some videos, we wanted to try to go to just a gun with no lance on it. And this was the one we bought. And this is a McKillen's, and it worked really good. We really like this one, didn't we, Aaron?
Yeah.
This one was great.
It's hard on the wrist too.
But it is hard on the wrist. The ergonomics are a little bit different. Hold that one up. You can see the way you hold it is a lot easier on the arm instead of straight up and down, kind of like a pistol. This is more slanted and just a super hair trigger. I mean, when you squeeze that trigger, it's night and day difference between these. But this trigger here was about 60 bucks. We went to it, and we've had this one 7-8 months. It's been a good one. Now, the ROBHK lance that we were using, it died. You couldn't hardly pull the trigger anymore. It actually quit working on us, which caused us to go to something like this. So I just got this one about a month ago, 3 weeks ago maybe, and we love it. But the price difference, that's about 20 bucks, 30 bucks more than the McKillen's was, and I'll put links in the description to these. But if you're just starting out, man, these are start off with what you got. Save you money. As you make money, put it back into your company. Put a little bit back in, buy you some tools, invest in some tools. And we went from the gas-powered pressure washer to the electric pressure washer, which we love. We love this little ROBHK washer. I get 62 bucks for that. I wish I'd have bought 2 of them when they were on sale. But yeah, upgrade your tools as you can. You don't have to have the best. This works great. That works great. It'll get you by. Like I said, after you're washing 6-7 vehicles a day, you will definitely tell the difference in the 2 triggers. That one is just so much nicer to use. So yeah, invest in yourself, invest in your tools. You don't have to go high. They make a higher priced MTM sprayer. We got the one that's kind of meaty in the middle. I think the whole setup was 90 bucks. I think the trigger is 75, 80 bucks. But I put links to all that in here. And check them out, man. It's pretty. It's not bad. The MTM is worth the hype. Everybody talks it up, says what a good sprayer it is. We really like it. We enjoy it. 10 times better than this one, and probably 100 times better than the Lance, the original Lances that come with the sprayers. So yeah, invest in your tools, upgrade when you can. You don't have to have it, but it does help, and you will notice a difference.
This one was
Jerry,
double the water through than this one does.
it does, yep. So yeah, the water flow in them makes a big difference too. So it seems like we can rinse vehicles off faster and that kind of thing. But so what you're looking for in a good sprayer is you want something that's easy to pull for the hand, the grip. You want something easy. You don't want a bunch of locking levers and all that. They don't serve no purpose in our business. You're a professional and you don't need all that junk. The other thing is you want something that puts out a lot of water. Now, your pressure washer puts out a certain amount of water, but you also want your gun to have that flow. And we noticed that with the newer trigger we got, it's just a little faster rinsing, and that's where you're going to make your money, get your jobs done, is getting it rinsed fast. You know, your initial wash off and rinse, and then your secondary rinse. It's got to be quick. You want to get in and out as much as possible. You don't want to be wasting time. Plus, having the tips right on the nozzle is fantastic. That's a great setup. I don't know who came up with that. I don't know if they did or not, but man, it's nice. So that's one of the things we're looking for, is, you know, something easier on the hand when you're using this 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day. And no, you're not spraying that long, but you are taking the time to spray. So we do the post office vans. There's 12 of those. That's a lot of spraying in one day. You do any fleet vehicles, that's a lot of vehicles to spray. It is hard on the wrist and hard on your grip. So yeah, that's one of the things we're looking for in a sprayer. The other thing is how well built it is, because, you know, we throw these things around. Nobody babies this stuff. We're in and out, we're in a hurry, we throw it in a truck, we throw it on the ground. They got to be durable, and MTM seems to be pretty durable. So all of the guns we've had so far have been great. Just as we step up, we notice the difference in them, and notice, man, the last one we had was crap. This one's way better. So definitely upgrade your stuff as you can. Don't put yourself in a spot, but as you make money, put some behind for tools. And we're going to continue this series with, you know, the foam cannons, the steamers, the extractors, shop vacs. We're going to do several series of tool upgrades that we've made that have made a huge difference for us since we've started with the lower end stuff we had. It all worked, got us where we wanted to be, made us money. So we just wanted to help you guys out and show you the stuff that we use and the success we've had. The other good thing we like about this sprayer is the stainless connections it has. It's got a swivel head. It's got the swivel head on the bottom. Makes it really nice. Darren's always twisting the cord up. But watch this trigger pull. This is so easy. Love it. Hey, this is Jerry with NXTGEN Graphics. See you for next one.